president tonight and his longtime lawyer and personal fixer, Michael Cohen. Tonight, two major filings in court just a short time ago. Prosecutors in one case are now urging a judge to sentence Michael Cohen to substantial prison time, in their words, several years, 42 months in prison, they recommend, saying he committed several federal crimes motivated by, quote, personal greed, citing his extensive, deliberate, and serious criminal conduct. This case in the Southern District of New York. Now, at the same time late today, another filing involving Cohen, this one from Robert Mueller's team. Cohen was interviewed for 70 hours by Mueller's team, and tonight the special counsel saying, quote, the information Cohen provided has been credible and consistent with other evidence obtained by the special counsel. But they remain silent when it comes to any prison recommendation. So federal prison looks likely. President Trump already reacting tonight, and ABC's Chief Justice correspondent Pierre Thomas leading us off.
Hi, Mike. What do you think is going to happen today?
Michael Cohen leaving his home today after imploring prosecutors not to put him behind bars. They did not buy it. Tonight, the U.S. Attorney in New York denouncing Cohen's extensive, deliberate, and serious criminal conduct, saying he sought to influence the election from the shadows, motivated by personal greed and ambition. The sentencing recommendation, a substantial prison term. Cohen, President Trump's former personal attorney and fixer, pleaded guilty to crimes including tax evasion and making illegal campaign contributions. He admitted facilitating hush payments to porn star Stormy Daniels and Playboy playmate Karen McDougal to cover up their alleged affairs with candidate Donald Trump, the man he once said he'd take a bullet for.
I'm obviously very loyal and very dedicated to Mr. Trump.
But under fire, Cohen turned on his old boss, telling prosecutors Trump ordered the hush money payments himself. He then sat down for more than 70 hours of interviews with special counsel Robert Mueller. He said he was motivated by love of country and love of family. But the U.S. attorney didn't buy that either, writing tonight, any suggestion by Cohen that his meetings with law enforcement reflect a selfless and unprompted about-face are overstated, that his consciousness of wrongdoing is fleeting, his remorse is minimal, and his instinct to blame others is strong. For his part, Mueller submitted his own court filing tonight. He and Cohen struck a deal, with Cohen pleading guilty to a separate charge of lying to Congress about the president's business dealings with Russia during the campaign. Mueller did not make a sentencing recommendation, but told the court Cohen has gone to significant lengths to assist the special counsel, providing useful information concerning Russia-related matters core to its investigation. According to court documents, Cohen provided investigators new details about Russian efforts to contact the Trump campaign during the election. They say the information was, quote, credible and consistent with other evidence obtained in the ongoing investigation.
So let's get to Pierre Thomas with us live tonight from Washington. And Pierre, Robert Mueller also filing new documents tonight in the case of the president's former campaign chairman, Paul Manafort. Mueller canceled Manafort's plea agreement, saying Manafort had lied to investigators. Tonight, the special counsel explaining some of those accusations.
That's right, David. We have a new court filing from the special counsel on Paul Manafort. Mueller accuses Manafort of lying about his contacts with a Russian national suspected of ties to Russian intelligence. And Mueller claims that Manafort lied about contacts with officials in the Trump administration, including as recently as this year. David?
Saying he was communicating with the Trump administration. Pierre Thomas leading us off tonight. Pierre, thank you. One more question on this tonight. Let's get to our legal analyst, Dan Abrams. And Dan, we want to remind everyone at home here, when it comes to Michael Cohen, the personal fixer, the attorney, there are two cases, one in the Southern District of New York, the other case, obviously, the Russia investigation. It was the Southern District of New York, the prosecutors there, strongly urging late today 42 months in federal prison. Robert Mueller essentially not getting in the way of this, not recommending any less.
Right. Southern District of New York is talking about campaign finance violations, tax evasion. Robert Mueller talking about lying to Congress. Mueller is saying, yes, he's been very helpful. Yes, it's at the core of the Russia investigation, but we're not asking for any additional leniency in connection with that other case. We're okay if he serves his time for us at the same time as he serves the Southern District time, but we're not asking you to reduce that amount of time below 4 to 5 years.
So bottom line tonight, Dan, federal prison time, and a significant amount of it could be very likely.
It's very likely when you see that recommendation from the prosecutors in the Southern District of New York.
All right, Dan Abrams, always great to have you as well.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.